Hi everyone, I'm Ken from CryptoTradingKS, the inventor of the CTKS method and BORSOG trading. If you're new, a very warm welcome and welcome back KS family. From my 30 plus years in financial markets, I explain the smart money mindset to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, gaining real wealth and positive excellence in the process. Bitcoin is currently trading at 21,730, and we can see a very similar pattern to what we identified a couple of days ago. That's actually played out. The one thing to note here is that we had a level of short-term resistance playing out around the 21,500. We're currently $200 over that. Go Bitcoin. As always, we need to get synchronized in with the market. We need to understand if the market, as we perceive it, is going down, going flat, or going up, and the percentage probability of price moving against us, moving neutrally or flat, or going for us, going up. And this synchronization factor that you put in your BORSOG code is literally about how confident you feel with the market just at the moment. I mentioned in yesterday's video, if we could get above this 21,540 level and stay above it, that's really constructive for Bitcoin. The next level of major resistance is 22,500. And if we look down below, the next level of major support is at 20,000 approximately. We can see Bitcoin shorts just coming down. And what do we see with price? This is causing a short squeeze to push price up. There's actually quite a lot of volume on this weekend, 175.2 million in liquidations across 52,815 positions. That's quite a deal more than what we generally get on the weekends. And we can see over the past 24 hours, about 63% of total liquidations have been short, 72.5% short over the past 12 hours. Over the past 4 hours, 76% short, and over the past hour, about 61% short. And when we have a look at the total volume, we're getting more into weekend mode. And there's still a bit of volume here for this weekend. So people are getting committed. People are getting called back into the market. We can see the entire global crypto market cap increase 1.79% over the past 24 hours, up to 1.06 trillion. The greatest gainers, Luna up 18%, Helium up 18%, EOS up nearly 6%, Waves 4.75%, and Convex Finance 4.26% up. The greatest losers over the past 24 hours, Steppen GMT down 5.2%, Loopring down 2%, as is Chili's, and USTC, we're not seeing any major reductions in price. Looking across the top 8 altcoins, we can see Ethereum going for it, and we know that no alt can escape Bitcoin's gravity, so this is what we're witnessing. BNB doing very nicely as well. ADA coming up, XRP coming up as well. When Bitcoin comes up, we would expect 99% of the alts to come up with it, but just at different percentage rates. We can see Doge is coming up, as is DOT, as is Matic. As crypto technical analysts, we have a very scientific structure how we look at the crypto market. The first thing we do is to mark up our charts with the CTKS method. We look beyond the crypto market to collect probabilities in the main markets. Then we hop back into the crypto market, finding the market's focus. And we also know that before we buy or sell, we must have an aim in life with positive excellence. Why is this? Because if we don't master emotional control, fear will master us. Fear makes you buy at the wrong time and sell at the wrong time. Fear creates blame and anger, and those methods are used to hide fear from you. There's only one way to get over fear in the market, and that is through positive excellence. Can you imagine living a fear-free life? How awesome! A life without blame, because you just don't need it. A life where sustainable fulfillment, meaning, happiness, and success is yours, and you can embrace that right this very day. The first concept is to understand that money is the output of the process, not the input. If you're just focusing on the money, you're focusing on the wrong thing. Focus on your skills, your knowledge, and emotional control. When we look at the smart money buy and sell levels for Binance Coin, BNB, it's rocking and rolling. And we can understand this because when we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's gravity is playing out on all the alts. As Bitcoin gets above resistance, of course, the alts are going to get above resistance too. That's why it's critical to look at Bitcoin's price direction. Please let me know in the comments, where do you think the crypto market is headed in the next 24 hours? Do you think we're coming up, going flat, or going down? Do you think that we're going to continue up to this next area of resistance? Or do you think we're going to strike resistance, for example, around the 22, let's make it 22,222. Why not? Easy to remember. That's why it's so important to do your BORSOG code each and every day. The more you think about how the market is moving, the more the market will reward you. It's very easy for people to let fear and blame actually rule their entire lives. But when you do so in the market, you'll lose money, perhaps all of it. Everything you put into the market will be lost because emotional control is incredibly important. And having been in the markets for decades and decades and decades, I understand this because we all go through this process, every single person. So if you think about panic and blame, this is where fear controls you. How do you know the fear controls you? Because you will blame and get into conflict. How do you know fear is not controlling you? How do you know that you're living from courage? Well, then you'll be focused on learning and accountability. Also, responsibility. Responsibility is a critical thing in anything. In order to progress, in order to mature, we must be responsible. How do we get responsible? By embracing positive excellence. Why would we care about being responsible? Can't we just be irresponsible? Sure, if you want to lose money, no problem. If you want to lose your job, no problem. If you want to lose your relationships, no problem. Being irresponsible will create disaster. And the big problem, being irresponsible in the markets will lose you all your money. It's very, very dangerous. So embracing positive excellence is what I talk about all the time. That's the thing that will turn the corner for you. To prime our minds for profitability in the crypto market, we have the CTKS Creed, which is a series of positive affirmations, positive excellence affirmations that we tell ourselves each and every day. This gets us away from zone 1 and zone 2 into zone 3 and zone 4, where we make and keep what we actually earn. I know the universe wants me to succeed. Every day I show kindness, integrity, and gratitude. I know life and opportunities reset daily. I am worthy. I go slow to go fast. I start small and scale with BORSOG. Life pullbacks give me the strength for the next life rally. I am dedicated and committed. I win or learn and never blame. Thank you very much to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers, and please note I don't have WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you also to the CTKS ambassadors for assisting Masterclass students. And of course, a very big thank you to you for watching and for being part of our global KS family. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, my friends. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.